going. Whoa.
Keep that stomach tight. Lydia, we gotta do more balance stuff. That's 3. Keep that stomach down. That's 6. You done, Ann? Down and hold. That butt down. Mm-hmm. 30 seconds to go. Nice job. Better, better, better. 15 seconds to go. Come on, Lydia. Get your chest up. Get your butt down. If you start to fall, just drop your butt. 5 seconds.
Oh my God.
Come on, Ann. What happened? Time.